front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. OPPO comes with its own recorder app, so after you find it, you need to click on it. This one. If you never used it before, select Allow in all available pop-ups and tap on the red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to add a photo mark, on the right one. Now switch your camera, take a pic, and when you're ready, you can discard it thanks to this X or add it thanks to this check mark. If you want to discard your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and choose don't save. To end it and save it though, hit save at the top right corner. Then name it however you want to. Decide if you wish to generate summary by clicking on this button right next to it. And select save. Finally, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, check out all of those options at the bottom. Summarize. Tap on Agree and Continue to continue and pick your language. Mark if you want to add another bookmark while listening. Photo mark works the same. The only difference is that you can actually tap on Choose from Album now and pick a photo you want to set up. Then confirm your choice thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. You can also tap on marks on the right to see all of them or hide all of them. Then click on those two sliders at the bottom left corner to adjust playback speed, and even tap on this switcher next to skip silences to enable or disable this option. To save your changes, hit Done at the top right corner. If you change your mind after that, you can tap on the same two sliders and hit Restore Defaults. Then click on gray area at the top or hit Done at the top left corner. By tapping on those scissors though, you can actually manage your recording by trimming it. If you want to, for example, remove this part, hit Remove on the left after selecting it and wait. You can also pick a part you wish to leave and trim the rest by hitting Trim on the right. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Then hit save here after naming your new recording. After tapping on your recording, you can also use this icon at the top right corner to enable or disable voice enhancement. And click on those three dots at the top right corner as well to manage all of those options, like set as ringtone or rename. You can even share it. Either way, when you're done, you can hold your recording here and tap on all of those options at the bottom, like Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!